Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify HVAC lifespan with Home Depot Pro Tool step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Home Depot Pro website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the HVAC section of the site. Locate the tool specifically designed for verifying HVAC lifespan. Click on the link or icon for the HVAC lifespan verification tool. You will see a prompt asking for information about your HVAC system. Gather details such as the brand, model number, and age of the unit. Enter the brand of your HVAC system into the provided field. Next, input the model number accurately. Follow this by entering the age of your system. Review the information you have entered for any potential errors. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to process your request. The tool will analyze the data and provide information on your HVAC lifespan. Review the results presented to understand the estimated lifespan. Take note of any recommendations or maintenance tips given by the tool. If necessary, save or print the information for future reference. Consider scheduling an inspection if your HVAC system is nearing the end of its lifespan. Utilize the insights gained to plan for any necessary upgrades or replacements. Close the browser window once you have finished using the tool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.